This website has paid out over $5 million to its users through platforms like Amazon, PayPal, and Skrill, but also through cryptocurrency by Bitcoin. And if you want to become one of these people who have made money with this website, be sure you keep watching, especially since I will show you a secret way you can use this said platform to make far more money online with it. And as a bonus, this will end up making you money in purely passive income, so be sure you stay tuned. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. As you've all heard, today I have a secret way to share with you to make money with one particular platform. But before we get to that website, I will need you to first head over to another website that will be equally important, one called shorte.st. And what this website is all about is basically shortening your links. So it's very similar to bit.ly.com, which I know pretty much all of you have heard of before. However, what makes this website so unique is that you can actually make money whenever someone clicks on a link that you have shortened. This allows you to make money in basically passive income if you can get people to click on your link, and if you can shorten a link to some meaningful and useful website. Now, the way this website works, and the reason they will actually pay you per click on your shortened link, is because when someone clicks on your link, they won't be immediately taken over to the website in question. What actually happens is they will first see some ads, which they will subsequently be able to skip. And it's the ad revenue that makes you and this website money, actually. So, the funny thing is here that this platform, even though totally different from YouTube, makes you money in exactly the same fashion. With that being said, now, they don't pay you the same amount of money for every single click on your link, which is evident on this page here. So, where your traffic comes from will actually be quite important. And you can actually do some reading on this page here to see which country's traffic will make you the most money. Anyways, what I want you to do on this website now is sign up for free. To do it, just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner, then type in all of your info and create your brand new account. When you log in, this is how everything will now look. You'll now be able to shorten links and make money. The one issue you all will see is that you have no website to shorten a link to. And this is what the next platform will help us with. The same website you've all seen in the intro prior. Here is the site in question. It's called superpay.me. And what this website is about, in contrast to the previous platform, is basically making you money, but not by shortening links, rather by completing various online surveys. In fact, this website is one of the most established make money online platforms online nowadays. And that can be seen by the amazing reviews over on Trustpilot.com, as well as the payment proof that they also have on the website. Furthermore, they have a ton of ways for you to get paid on the platform, as I've shown you in that intro before. And through these methods, they have literally paid out millions of dollars online. Now, with that being said, am I telling you all this because you'll be completing surveys to make money with this website? Actually, no, and the info that I've just shared with you will actually be important later on, but not for the reason you think, since you don't want to complete any surveys. So I can explain better what you will be doing. I want you to quickly sign up to this website by clicking on this button, and I will see you there when you do. When you log into your new account on the platform, this is how everything will now look. You'll now be able to complete surveys and get paid, but as I said before, that is not what you will be doing. So let me show you what you actually want to do on this website. You want to promote it through their awesome referral program. Now, I think all of you can see why I talked about all those features from before. The great reviews, payment proof, and multiple options for you to get paid through this website is indeed beneficial when you are using it to make money. But it is just as beneficial when you are promoting it, since it will allow you to get more people to start making money through the website. And when someone starts making money on this platform, if they signed up via your affiliate link, you will basically make money in recurring commissions in purely passive income. And what's really important to note here is that while the surveys don't pay all that much, they also have contests that net people hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. And so the 25% commissions they offer all of a sudden have the potential to not only get you paid big time in the long run, but also in the short term if someone you've referred actually wins a contest. So even though it may not seem like so at first glance, there's actually a lot of potential to make big money online here, guys. And some of you probably know what your next step is going to be. You want to grab your referral link on the website and then shorten it over on easylinks.io. By using these two platforms, you will now be able to make even more money online. When someone clicks on your referral link, you will make money, but also make money when someone starts using superpay.me. So there's a ton of potential here if you can, however, get traffic. So, how can you do it? One traffic source that some of you might have heard of before is called Odyssey.com. This website is basically a different and less popular YouTube, and that may make some of you ask yourselves, why use this website then if you have YouTube? What makes it special is that it does not have a big number of creators in relation to the number of views, as is the case on YouTube. And while it's not as popular as YouTube, it still gets a decent number of visits, which, as you can see on this website, is in the millions. But more importantly than that, since there aren't that many creators, you can actually upload video content on here and expect decent numbers. And so, what you can all do actually, instead of showing your face on camera like so many other people, is instead record your screen, just like I'm doing right now. And by using a microphone, you can just go over to superpay.me and basically promote it. Tell your audience about all of the awesome features it has to offer, especially the fantastic reviews, payment options, and the payment proof to top it all off. And when you are done with your video, what you want to do is just say something along the lines of, if you want to check out this website, be sure you click on the first link in the description box below. And in this way, without even showing your face on camera or doing any hard work, you can make a ton of money, which from the point your video goes live will be made in literally passive income, doing no work at all. It's as easy as that, guys. If you learned something new today and enjoyed this video, be sure you support me and this channel with a like down below. And if you want to check out more of my videos, as always, don't forget the two that'll pop up in a second. Since I upload new videos on here daily, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a video goes live. As always, thank you all for watching and see you in some of the next videos.